Making use of your Control key can open up a whole new world of shortcuts to maximize your efficiencies in Excel. The neat thing about the Control key is that its function is similar throughout the computing environment. Its use is so extensive that most keyboards have two Control keys, one on the bottom left and another one just to the right of center. In the Windows environment, the Control key is very useful when working with files and folders. So for example, when using a mouse to drag and drop a file, the file is moved to its new location. However, if I hold the Control key down at the same time, the file ends up being copied to its new location with the original file still in place. Here's my copied file and my original file. If I had to do the same thing within the same folder itself, so select the file, hold the Control key, drag and drop it, it'll create a copy within the same folder and give it an appropriate name because we can't have two files of the same name. If we translate this into the Excel environment, it has the same effect when working with sheets. So here I have an Excel workbook. I've got two worksheets here. If I select that details sheet, if I had to drag and drop it into a new workbook, it will move that details sheet into the new workbook. Hold the Control key down though, and it creates a copy across workbooks. If I had to employ the same principle within the same workbook, select the Details tab, hold down the Control key, and drag it within the same workbook. It creates an exact replica of that Details tab. Again, I can't have the same tab with the same name, so therefore it depends 2 in brackets on the actual copy itself.